Hey guys, what is going on? Welcome back to the portfolio. As I do with every video, I want to say thank you to all the supporters on the channel, all the subscribers, all the viewers. Immensely appreciate the support. If you guys do enjoy the video content, if you guys do enjoy the video series, feel free to like, share, and subscribe. And if you are a subscriber, make sure to hit that bell button to get alerts and updates on all new content posted on the channel. For today's video, I thought I'd focus on the dividend income received on the portfolio. This is a topic that is quite popular in the comment threads. How much am I receiving? How many dividend payments, as well as total dividend income? It's been quite some time since I've done one of these videos, so I'll do an update for November, another video update for December, as well as January. Most of those dividend payments are either posted or pending in the portfolio already. So we'll kind of do a three-part series here: November, December, as well as January dividend payments. And they vary quite dramatically. November, only a few dividend payments, 15 for $128. Let's focus on those payments for this video. Again, I try to go through all of the dividend payments. You can see here quite a few dividend payments, especially for December. That's typically a very good dividend month. A lot of my stocks pay out on a quarterly basis every 3 months, and a lot of those pay in December. For that reason, November and October typically aren't very good months for dividend payments. But nonetheless, let's go through and analyze all of these dividend payments here. You can see the first dividend payment for November is Verizon VZ, $1.81. PTY and PCM, very good closed-end funds, 13 and 16 cents. Don't have large holdings in either of those two stocks. That's why there are only 13 and 16 cents posted there. PG, Procter & Gamble, $4.30. APLE, let's go ahead and click on APLE. 10 cents per share. I have currently 300 shares. This is $30 per month. This is a real estate investment trust. A lot of these pay out on a monthly basis, so very good to compound your interest with those particular funds. Sometimes you're not able to get those qualified for the lower tax rate, so you do need to take that in consideration. They typically have very good dividend yields, but again, if you cannot qualify those dividends, you may pay a hefty toll at the end of the year with increased taxes. Another few very good REITs, Real Estate Investment Trust, STAG, 12 cents, as well as O Realty Income. This is one of the best real estate investment trusts that you can buy. $7.06. You can see I have 32 shares at 22.05 cents per share. Moving up to Apple, AAPL, $2.19. Clorox CL, $3.36. ABBV, AbbVie Incorporated, $29.76. Abbott Laboratories, ABT, $12.88. Microsoft, MS, 60 cents. Prospect Capital, another stock that pays out on a monthly basis. This is a business development company. A little bit higher risk, but it has a very good dividend payment. If we take a look at Prospect Capital here, if we go down to the dividend yield, you can see it's currently at 11.426%. And if we go down to the dividend payments as well, you can see that, again, this pays out on a monthly basis. A lot of these closed-end funds, business development companies, as well as real estate investment trusts, or REIT, Apple Hospitality, pay out on a monthly basis. Very good for getting those dividends in the portfolio, and then being able to put that money back into that particular stock, other stocks, to compound that interest over time. So very good payment from Prospect Capital, one of the first stocks I've had in the portfolio. Another dividend payment here with SDR. This is another relatively high-risk stock. This is actually a penny stock. Let's go ahead and take a look at this stock as well. You can see it's currently trading at $1.03. Unfortunately, my average cost is $1.46, meaning I've lost overall total return negative $123.48. But you can see here a very large dividend yield, 27.37%. This is more of a gamble, to be quite honest. I'm not quite sure why I put that kind of equity into the stock. It's only $293. But again, this is a very high-risk stock. You can see the volatility here dropping down around 80 cents, then up over $1.80 here. So you can see the rather phenomenal return if you were able to put your money in here, sell off here. But again, that's market timing. You can't really, in a reliable fashion, do that over time. And you can see the stock has trailed off quite dramatically here from $3 back in 2014 Again, under $1 here, down around 60 to 70 cents. December 22nd, 2017 here. So the end of 2017 did rise here a bit before pulling back here. But a penny stock with a very good dividend yield here, 27.37. This pays out on a quarterly basis. And then GOF, another closed-end fund, Guggenheim, 73 cents. BHK, a Bondcore Trust Fund, 7 cents. SPHD, one of my favorite dividend ETFs for new investors. Let's go ahead and open this stock up as well. SPHD, a high dividend, low volatility ETF. So this is very good for dividend income over the longer term. You can see it has a very nice dividend yield, 4.329%. PE ratio is very respectable for this particular type of stock. Market cap 2.69 billion. But the key point here is you can see all stocks dropped here at the end of 2018 with a little bit of a correction. This has responded quite nicely here. You can see overall somewhat of low volatility. Again, this drop here kind of takes away some of that low volatility, but overall it is down 0.29% over the past year, when other stocks are down much more than that. And this pays out on a monthly basis as well, so you can compound your interest. You can see I have 36 shares, 13.78 per share, $4.96 for the total dividend payment for SPHD. Take a look on the channel. I have detailed that stock on a number of prior videos. YYY is the last dividend payment in November, 13 cents. If you add up all of those dividend payments, 15 dividend payments for a total dividend income of $128. So not the best month on the portfolio, but again, December and January definitely make up for the poor month of November. So again, this is a very common request on the portfolio. What kind of dividend income do I receive on the portfolio? I try to do, again, one of these per month. It's been quite some time, so I'm going to be doing a video for November, December, as well as January, detailing all the dividend income. If you look on the front page of the channel as well, I have this in a separate section where you can easily look at all of the different months to get a sense of the dividend income that I receive on the portfolio. So again, this was a user-suggested video. If you guys do have ideas for great videos, let me know. Always looking for new stocks to research, new trading strategies, as well as any content that you want seen posted on the channel. The more inquiries I get on any one particular video topic, the more likely I'll be putting out those videos, so please keep those suggestions coming. I take a look at every one of those, and like I said, some of the more interesting suggestions are the ones that are repeated more often. I definitely put out videos for those particular video ideas. So again, not to make the video too long, I'll kind of end it here. Again, if you guys enjoy the content on the channel, if you guys enjoy the video series, feel free to like, share, and subscribe. Until the next video, we'll see you then.